All right, well, we got a significant storm on the way. Do you have your umbrellas? Do you have your rainbow boots ready? Because this storm is going to bring significant rainfall to much of the Central Coast. Here is an earlier look out at Pismo Beach. The beaches are going to be something you might want to avoid because we could see potential for lightning, water spouts out overseas. So you might want to stay inside, drink a nice cup of cocoa, watch that Netflix series that you are binge watching already. Here's a look at the 24-hour rainfall total because we did see some scattered rain showers earlier today. Here's a look, though not really anything measurable. Vandenberg Village, about 0.07 of an inch of rain. Lompoc, 0.02, as well as Santa Ynez, Santa Maria, 0.03 of an inch of rain. In the San Luis Obispo County area, even less than that. San Simeon and Morro Bay, not really even getting much at all. Same with Shell Beach, Arroyo Grande, Lopez Lake, about 0.02 of an inch of rain. But this is just a sneak preview of what's going to be happening tomorrow, and that rain could come as early as the next couple of hours. Here's a look at the satellite radar. You can see that significant storm just off the coast here of the South Santa Barbara County area. It's going to be even more widespread and bring the most precipitation as we head into Tuesday afternoon hours. Take a look, 7 a.m. here. You can see it just off the coastline here, but this guy, it's a pretty big beast. 4 p.m. Tuesday is where we're seeing the bulk of it in San Luis Obispo County and Cambria, and as well as Paso Robles here, and even parts inland down in in Santa Barbara County. It's going to move northeast and still bring some scattered showers Wednesday. This is 7 a.m. Wednesday here. You can see there is still a lot of widespread scattered showers in most of the Central Coast area, but it will taper off into Wednesday evening. But we could see potential more for Thursday. This microclimate model now showing that precipitation green in the Thursday evening hours, and it looks like it's hitting mostly the south coast and the southern parts of Santa Barbara County before it does taper off Friday. Here's a look at that microclimate rain model. We're expecting anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain, potential for 3 inches of rain in the mountains here, about 1.75 inches in San Luis Obispo, 1.5 inches roughly in Santa Maria and Cambria, almost 1 inch of rain, Lompoc as well, solving though about 1.5 inches of rain. So what can we expect with the wind? Well, the winds are also going to be picking up as we see this storm hit the Central Coast. You can see around 3 p.m. here, we have 16 miles per hour in Santa Barbara, solving 12 miles per hour. Lompoc 10 miles per hour, but fairly calm in northern parts of San Luis Obispo County before tapering off even further. The upper level forecast, you're going to see this low pressure trough move across the area here, bringing those temperatures hovering in the 60s. It's really going to kind of cap it over there before we see another onshore push Saturday, and then after that, another storm. The potential impacts of this storm, we could see beach lightning and water spouts possible. I mentioned that earlier, but the flooding and traffic delays is something you guys want to watch out for your morning and especially for your afternoon commutes. There is a limited debris flow here near the recent burn scar areas. That's going to be something that fire crews are going to be watching because we did have some of that fire activity in the Santa Ynez Valley. Here's a look at your daytime highs in the 60s for a majority of the Central Coast here. As we head to the Santa Ynez Valley, 60 degrees in Carpinteria and Goleta. In the 5 cities, 63 in Arroyo Grande, 62 in Pismo Beach, 62 in Morro Bay, and 61 in Cayucas. Your 5-day forecast here, you're going to see that chance of thunder and lightning tomorrow. Rain again Wednesday and potentially Thursday, but another storm on the way Saturday and Sunday.